Hi guys, today I received this SYMA X440 do-it-yourself drone for reviewing purposes. I think it's quite nice because it's with some attachable and detachable parts. So we're gonna open it. I've got the black one. Open the box. One box and another. I'll open this one right now. So let's see what's inside. Okay, it's a controller. Okay, so it needs 4 AAA batteries, so we're gonna get them so we can try it. And these are some packages. Let's see what's inside them. The first package, we've got these kind of protectors. Then we've got more parts, but these are a bit smaller, so I'm gonna take them out. And now let's see what's coming in the number 2 box. Okay, nice. It's very secured. This is the main unit, and it comes with this power unit, so you can charge it. Here you're connected. And this is pieces. Comes with it places. It's the A2 and A2, so you connect it like that. A1. This side is the A1, so it'll wait. Okay. And this is a B1. Here goes B1. And 2B. Here goes. Okay. It's small, but it ain't like a small thing. I like the size. I like the design. It's very nice. And it comes with another power unit, which is great if in case your drone gets out of battery, you can just change the power unit temporarily while you charge the other. Okay, so take it like this, so the propellers don't get damaged. And there it goes. This is how it looks all assembled. So I'm going to see how we can turn it on so we can test it. Okay friends, so here we are with an expert flyer of drones. He's gonna show us how this drone works and how it looks when it's spinning around. As you can see, it's very easy to control. It ain't any difficult and has several modes of controlling itself. It can vary up the highness with the controller. It's very practical.